Yeah, man. I wear this up on live again, you know. I just say it's a friend Cyril, you know. Thing out here, you know. Angel Doulas, you know. Whole of man them in a yard, seeing we, you know. See, all the millionaire man them, you know. Yeah. What's that? Show your face, tall boss. Yeah, my wash out the pot them when we done cook. Yo. Anyway, we don't see how we happy and see vibes that we under. Can we just get a breaking good news? Yeah. You know what's the alkaline free again? Because judge saying, no, them not charging by 6. Them to let him go. Well, we don't go and tell alkaline, say, the more you do. Just stay away from trouble. Don't make yourself get caught up in nothing more like this. Not even weed, you know, for charge for.
Just run off.
Just keep your career going, keep your career smooth, keep your career straight. Because I'm going to tell you this, that is an experience. Don't make my mistake be your downfall. That me I tell you. Yeah? You hear me say again? Don't make my mistake be your downfall. I'm going to say it to more than one artist. All I man them way feel like say when them boss them need for in the garrison and a bray run. Let me tell you something. When you go into the garrison, you go into the garrison to teach your people them. Yeah, anyway, we up again, done. Because we are showing us say, Ray. So we are there talk to you, them and I say, yeah, me no man. Just Lego that something there. We don't want any of that problem there. And to the younger artists them, we are forward in the business. I mean, I want to know. When you arrive in the ghetto around the ghetto people them. If you see a little youth have a gun, don't make him feel like say, if he run come bodyguard and him a little shot around you. When him have a gun, you tell him say you are youth. More you put on the gun then. If you want me your power, put on the gun. Make me help you if you have something out of life. Because I'm sure, you know, when an artist go up on tour, you know, and you have some of them artists you collect 40,000, 50,000, 60,000 US. You understand? 25,000, 30,000, and I go up on 10 show. One eye 25,000 or one eye 30,000 can help you uplift a youth from crime and violence, you know. Because I go tell you something, you don't have to do nothing as an artist we get involved. You want me tell you how easy you get involved? You are par down the road, and when you are par down the road, anything happen down the road, a ninja man friend them, a alkaline friend them, a bounty killer friend them, a beanie man friend them, a Capitan friend them. If them go a road and you and them par and once them do anything, the first thing I go say ninja man and him friend them. You understand me? Capitan and him friend them. You understand me? So it's easy for your name to call. Because you is the first person for anyone identify. Now, if you go in a community and you help the youth, then to put on the gun, and the police then do have to run up and down and look for gunman, and the police then do have to yes, and nobody get robbed and no killing now go on. You know you have a nice community to run, and the police then love you. You want to go up a Constant Spring police station and talk nothing bad about me, the police then lock you up. You know what me don't come from Red Hills Road? No. But me have my studio up there, and me go up there, and me go around the youth them, and me say, some little tension and little vibes are going. And me go and me walk the community them, and me talk to the youths them, me show them love, me show them say me are not one-sided done, me are done for everybody, me are boss for everybody, me are father for everybody, me are artist for everybody, me are everything God want me do for you. As long as you live in a unity and peace, as you call me, I shall be there. And right now, if I youth from up a station and in fear, in call me. If a youth from Park then want to deal with something up at the station and him have any problem, in call me. You understand me? If the superintendent have any problem in anyone I come, then call me and say, me ask something. What I go and say everything good, man. If I something where me can deal with, me tell them say, let me go see where I go on. And me go there and something, me just tell them say, well, I want to cut down that something here. Me not come from there. But me now go push nothing to make me get myself in that trouble. Some of my youth, sometimes the things we want to get myself in that trouble because of the way I want to deal with things. Might be when you go in our community and see a man do that thing and afraid to tell him, say, yo, me no want that you might. No. Enter you go around the youth them love you and respect you. So then look up to you and anything you teach them, that them are going to do. So some of the artists, we don't have no fear of talking to the youth them and tell them to move a different way. Guide them in the right way because them are listen to one and listen to what one have to say and what one have to do. Now, Alkaline, me I beg you, please, you are a youth. Me and you know, no talk and no rare and people say this, people say that, but he's a youth and never disrespect me yet. You have enough manners to me. Me come in a studio and see you and one bag of something and you never ever disrespect me yet. Even after me leave, your remarks was all Ninja man are going, him not even know him and my DJ. You understand me? So he's a little youth, I rate you, and we just want you to go up on the right track and walk the right way. We no business where nobody wants to say about you, because that's not my business. You understand me? We just want, me no want to see no more artists in no trouble. Me no want to see no more artists in no jail. Me no want to see no more artists that charge no murder, no gun, not even weed. I want to tell you something, not even traffic violation, me no want no artist name I call you. I want artist name have the cleanest record in the history of music. If you charge of a murder boy with lyrics, and them not have that charge there yet. You understand me? If you charge, if you mash up any stage show where them put you upon, them not have that charge there yet. If you charge, if you wreck the world with lyrics that anywhere you go, it must be stampede when they come. Well, me not see them charge there yet. So as long as you don't have them charge there, them thing them want to see you do. More and then charge if you take plane like taxi, where you had to tour them too busy. 7 days a week and twice on Sundays you are work. That's what I want from the artists them. Don't have to go back in the badness again because me, Supercat, Josie Whale, and we already been through that and we leave it alone. So we have only know if we can do the work we make all the billions and millions we can make. So we are say bless up and we give God thanks and praise one more time in our Friends Railway studio, Alkaline free, and we're happy for that. And next thing, I want uno boy, me I talk to uno again. Where I take the false news them I send on the internet and I talk like a Jamaica, it a go on. Me I beg you to stop it. Everything we uno see on the internet, uno take it off and then uno post it, repost it and put phone of voice behind it. And I talk about Lord, look how people wicked and this and that. Those things are not happening in Jamaica. Stop painting a dirty picture for Jamaica for people recognizing up on the internet. And there should be a ban for false news on the internet. Because some of the boy and some of the girl we post something we make like Jamaica look away. Let me tell you something. Right now, we're on a thing we name all man we are kidnap woman and rape woman. We're on the hunt for them. You see, from where they talk about people get catch, them can't ramp with no more girl picking the boy. Because we are look for every vehicle, we are search every vehicle with when we are asleep, we are watch the vehicle them. Yeah? Someone to stop going like say people is down here killing people and take away them body parts because we don't find no girl at Jamaica yet with them body parts gone. Stop something where we have Africa and some more place in the world. Stop post it like a Jamaica it a go on. More please stop it. Some of you don't know bad publicity because don't love Jamaica and don't want to destroy the country more than how it destroy. You don't put up all kind of false news. You know what we do? Definitely the character of the country. When you put up some uncalled for and some disturbing picture, and I say a Jamaica it come from. Some of you people put too much disturbing things on the internet. And manipulate people's mind to do things. Because some of them people are do some crazy things, you know, and show them things for them to do more. The people them now do something and not tell, be a lie. Stop the lying about Jamaica, sell people body parts of Jamaica. The people them are rape and kill the girl, and we want all them to murder them back. You understand me? We want all them to torture them back, and at that we depend. We not depend on lie and thing, but we not can talk about we sell body parts, sell his body parts. If we ever catch a man down here, we are buy body parts. When we done with film body parts, you wouldn't like to what we do with it. Because we are take out ear, we are take out eyelash, we are take out teeth, we are cut off ears, and we not do them one time. We are take out fingernail. And when we're not killing nobody and cut them up. All of you wicked man, we are doing something. They would have cut them up alive. So them know Jamaica people are not easy. Somebody, any other world, we are fixing up. Beg God for the police then come. And come fast. Because to one killing us slowly, the police them are going to catch you all the time. But we are going to find somewhere to put on where we touch and wicked and stop it. So we know we're not a foolishness. And when we have a jungle justice, we are going to 1 million people are dealing with it at one time. You hear? So we stop and put and spell false new. Big up yourself, Alkaline, and stay out of trouble. That me I tell you. People, me love when I'm gone here. See you on the next time.